Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Perfection in your eyes. Don't settle for mediocrity. Don't settle for less than who you are and what you deserve. Owe it to yourself to rise above the challenge and see perfection in your eyes. Owe it to yourself to break free from the chain keeping you down. Owe it to yourself to claim what's rightfully yours and set the stage for its arrival. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe you shouldn't settle for anything. I believe whatever you desire deep down in your heart, that's what you should go for, no matter what. If there's challenges, go through them. It's okay. It's good to learn and have experiences, even when it's uncomfortable sometimes, because then you get the best outcome. When you keep striving for something that you truly love from the bottom of your heart, and you finally get there, it feels so good. But at the same time, enjoy the journey on your way. Don't just want the end. Just enjoy what you're doing. I believe then you'll always be happy. But it's got to be from the bottom of your heart, not the ego stuff. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.